Hi everyone, it's Kylie here from Grind Oats Australia. Welcome to another Kylie's Kitchen. Well, today I am going to show you how to grind down your oats. Now, ground down oats is something that I keep in my pantry all the time. I use it for thickening, I use it for crumbing, and I use it for binding. And it's also super great for using in those protein balls. Sometimes I find that they stick together a little bit better. So I'm going to show you how super easy it is to make these oats, but minus the noise. Okay, I'm using a Thermomix, but by all means use a blender of any sort. Now, depending on how big your machine is how much of this you use. So you might need to use half a packet or a whole packet. So throw that into your blender. I just do half at a time. Now I want you to blitz it up really quickly, not for too long, because we don't want it to turn into flour. However, if you want to turn it into flour, that's how you do it. Okay, so that is as easy as it gets. Store it into a bottle in your pantry so it's ready to go. Now I'm going to put in the comments below a link to our Kylie's Kitchen newsletter, which we send out every Friday. So they're not only recipes from us, but from all our fabulous influencers on Instagram and customers who send recipes in. Thank you very much. Each and every week, fingers crossed, I will try to do a Kylie's Kitchen and get some great tips to you on how to introduce this wonderful product more into your diet every day. Okay, that's bye from me. It's a quick one today. Have a great day. Bye now.